What's up, guys? And Merry Vlogmas day 4, I think. Day 4. What's the date? Day 4. As you can see, I just showered, just got home actually. It's been a crazy busy work day, so I couldn't really vlog up until right now. But have no fear, we are about to whip up some vegan hot chocolate, and I've even got my Christmas pajamas on. We're gonna chill on the couch and watch a Christmas movie and drink our hot cocoa. I figure that's a great way to end the night and still get a vlog in. So let's get cooking. Okay, so according to this recipe that I found, it's like an easy 5-minute one. You take almond milk and warm it up, then add cocoa powder, chocolate, and sweetener to it, which I'm gonna just use sugar. I don't have raw sugar, but if you wanna be vegan, get raw sugar, I guess. And then we're gonna combine it, and then we're piling whipped cream on top.
There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How you feel about packing up today?
Oh, wait. I almost messed it up already. Okay, so we put it in the microwave first. 1 minute. Alrighty. I heated up my milk. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix that. Then I'm gonna add some chocolate. I said about a tablespoon and a half, so fill up spoon and then half. Oops. All right, and then we're gonna keep warming it up in intervals. So, oh my gosh, look at that! It already looks like chocolate milk. Okay, now I didn't add sugar because the chocolate to me is sweet enough, and I just want that rich, dark, chocolatey flavor. And then I'm going to have the whipped cream on top, which, let me show you. If you haven't seen this, you need to see this. 1 second. It is non-dairy, coconut-based whipped cream. Come on, are you kidding me? It doesn't really taste super coconutty to me either. I tasted it and it tasted just like the regular Ready Whip, if you ask me. But this on top, oh my god, it's gonna be amazing. All right, let's mix this. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like getting foamy and thick. You see that? Alrighty, it's piping hot. Smells like just that rich. If you don't really like the sweetness of chocolate, but you like the punch of dark chocolate. If you like dark chocolate, you like the flavor, not so much the sweetness. I think this is gonna be it. Okay. Let's see. Don't skip the sweetener. 1 second. Okay, I was trying to be healthy, but hot chocolate wasn't having it, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. let me see if that helped. Because, oh my god, was it... Here I am, like, thinking I'm some sort of chocolate connoisseur. And then I was sadly mistaken. Okay, let's see. It smells a little bit sweeter. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if I got it in a shot, but I only added like maybe 2 teaspoons of sugar, if that. I don't know measurements, I don't know. But I only added a little, and it's got just enough sweetness to be like a dark chocolate vibe where it's like kind of bitter, but not overly sweet to where you can't enjoy it. You know what I mean? Okay, let's try it with the non-dairy Cool Whip, coconut whip. The instructions on here are like super specific. Like you have to run this underwater, shake 8 to 10 times, and then turn it upside down completely. So let me go through the million steps real quick. Let's do it. I'm gonna try it with the whipped cream now. I don't really get it, so let me try it with them. That's so good. Oh, that is so good. If you don't make this, you're out of your mind. It's so easy. Try and make it. And it's a ton less sugar, well, depending on how much you add, than the packets, so that's good. And it's vegan. That is so good. Oh my god. Comment down below when you try this. It's so easy and it's so yummy. All right, I'm going to go with my little cozy cup of cocoa. Ooh, alliteration, okay. And I'm going to watch The Grinch. Let's go. I'm probably gonna be here for a while.
Is to say, there is no place like Christmas Day. Every window was shut, every lamppost was dressed, and the whole world and marched in their Christmas best.
Yep, I'm definitely gonna be here for a while. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays!